All right, page 2 of lesson 5. So we're still solving with variables on both sides, but now we're getting to the ones where we have to simplify first. So this first one, whenever you see the parentheses, we have to distribute first. So we end up with 6x plus 10 is equal to 7x plus 7. And then identify our variables. 6x and 7x are positive, so we subtract the smaller one, which is going to be 6x, and we're left with 10 is equal to x plus 7. What's nice is this ends up being a one-step equation, so we subtract 7 from both sides, and we get x equals 3. All right, last one, and then we have one more concept to talk about. Again, I see parentheses, so we're going to distribute first. So negative 6x minus 3x plus 10 is equal to negative 18x plus 16 minus 10. Then, if you notice, we have like terms on both sides that we need to simplify first. So we simplify negative 6x and minus 3x to give us negative 9x plus 10. And then on this side, we simplify 16 and minus 10, and we get negative 18x plus 6. Our variables are both negative, so we add the bigger one. The bigger number is 18. So we add 18x to both sides. So we have 9x plus 10 is equal to 6. We are now going to subtract 10. 9x is equal to negative 4. And then divide by 9. If you notice, negative 4 cannot be divided by 9, so we are going to leave it as a fraction. No decimals, leave it as a fraction. All right, our final concept that we need to talk about in this lesson, special solutions. There are 3 types of solutions when we have variables on both sides. One solution, which is just going to be x equals a number. No solution, which is going to be a false statement, such as an example would be something like 3 is equal to 0, or 5 is equal to negative 1. If you notice, there's no variable. So you will have variables that cancel out if that's the case. If no solutions are false, infinite solutions are true. So an example of this would be something like 3 is equal to 3. Negative 2 is equal to negative 2. And just like no solution, there's no variable for infinite solutions as well. They get canceled out. All right. So our first one, you're always going to start with distribution here. So that's what we're going to do. Distribute the negative 3. So we have negative 24x minus 6 is equal to negative 24x minus 6. When you look at your variables, if they are the exact same thing, it's most definitely a special solution. So we're going to add 24x, and they will cancel, leaving us with negative 6 is equal to negative 6. This is a true statement, so we have infinite solutions. All right, our next one. Distribute the 4. So we have 4x minus 4 is equal to 4x minus 5. We have the same variable, so I'm going to subtract 4x, and it's going to disappear. And we're left with negative 4 is equal to negative 5. This is false, so this is no solution. All right, so we're going to do 2 more real quick ones, and then we'll be done with notes. Down here, we're going to distribute the negative 3. So we have negative 15x plus 9 is equal to negative 15x plus 6. Our variables are the same, so I'm going to add 15x. And we have 9 is equal to 6, which is false, so it is no solution. And then finally, our last one, distribute the 7. 14x plus 7 is equal to 14x plus 7. The 14x's are the same, so we subtract 14x, causing them to disappear. We're left with 7 is equal to 7, so that is true. So we have infinite solutions. And there you have it, the notes for lesson 5, and this was our last lesson for solving equations.